Hello, I'm going to talk to you about how to clean a flame sensor on a Lennox furnace. This furnace is about 15 years old. It's a Lennox Elite furnace. I got on YouTube and couldn't find anything on this particular furnace, and the flame sensor was a little hard to find, so I thought I would do this quick video. Now, according to the information that we found, the flame sensor, when it kind of goes out, the furnace will call for gas and it will ignite and then it will go out, and then it will ignite and then it will go out, and it does that cycle. The furnace doesn't work. So I found out that that's the flame sensor. It's easy to repair, easy to replace. So let me show you how I did it. I've already cleaned the flame sensor on this furnace and it's working fine, but I thought I would just throw something up on YouTube for some tips for anybody, again, with this particular furnace. So we just take off this top panel. We don't need to take off the bottom panel, and this is not in focus. There we go. So there's the insides of the furnace right there. I'm going to turn this flashlight on so you can see. The flame sensors, hard to find, hard to get to on this furnace. That's why I wanted to throw something up here. Up here is the combustion chamber, and the flame sensor is always associated with the combustion chamber. So if you look back underneath there, there's a white wire, and attached to the end of that white wire is the flame sensor. So that's where it is. And to get to it, you have to take off that rubber manifold right there. And it's hooked on in 3 places. It is rubber. You just undo those clamps and you squeeze it and that comes out. And then you can get to the flame sensor. Once you have the flame sensor out, you're not supposed to touch the metal part of it. And you can wrap a crisp dollar bill or a $10 bill around it and rub that around it, and that will take off the grime and the corrodedness of the flame sensor. Put it back in and ready to go again. Hope that helps. Find the flame sensor on this type of Lennox furnace. Good luck.